Have you ever wondered why your petrol car is consuming too much fuel? Don't panic, in today's video I'm going to cover it up. Low petrol engine uses too much fuel due to factors like aggressive driving, hard braking, acceleration, poor maintenance, dirty filters, old oil, bad plugs, low tire pressure, excessive idling, traffic, faulty sensors, O2, MAAF, worn parts, and even using the AC too much, all disrupting engine efficiency and combustion. Welcome to Universal of Technology TV. Remember to subscribe for keep receiving useful car tips and advices and to be notified when new video is uploaded. Thank you. Here there are 13 reasons why your petrol engine is having excessive fuel consumption. Number 1. Excessive idling. An often overlooked MPG killer, especially during summer and winter, is excessive idling. While it may seem harmless to sit in your parked car for extended stretches while waiting for someone or letting the engine warm up, you are getting literally 0 miles per gallon during that idling time. Number 2. High load weight carrying. One simple cause of high fuel consumption is when a vehicle is carrying too much weight. Whether it has a lot of items in the trunk, full of people, carrying a roof cargo box, or pulling a trailer, the more weight that's being carried around by the vehicle, the more demand that is being put on the engine to generate enough power to move all of it. In the case of a roof rack, you will also have additional wind drag to deal with, which also affects your MPG. Number 3. Heavy acceleration. Whenever the need for more power is needed, whether cruising or accelerating, the engine needs to burn more fuel to make it happen. Therefore, you end up having to fill up your fuel tank more often. Number 4. Dragging brakes. If brake pads, calipers, or other component don't fully disengage from the rotor after you've released the brake pedal, you'll have constant friction and drag as the component lightly rubs against the spinning rotor. This consistent friction forces your engine to work harder to maintain speeds and causes a noticeable reduction in gas mileage. Often, you'll notice a burning smell while driving or excessive brake dust covering your wheels. Causes may include stuck calipers, warped rotors, incorrect brake pads, or air in the brake lines. Number 5. Low tire pressure. The tires on your vehicle need to be inflated to the proper amount of air pressure, usually between 30 psi and 36 psi on the majority of vehicles. A good tire pressure gauge is something everyone should own. If you're driving a vehicle with low tire pressure on any or all the tires, it creates more wear and resistance for those tires. This causes the engine to work harder to make up for the additional resistance, which means more fuel will need to be used to power the engine. Number 6. Worn tires. Low tread depth. It may come as a surprise, but tires with insufficient tread can cause increased fuel consumption. Because they have less grip and traction on the road, it makes the engine work harder when accelerating, since some of the wheel motion is wasted. In addition, tires that are unevenly worn, inner or outer tire wear, adds extra drag and reduced mileage. Number 7. Dry air filter. There are many reasons to have a clean air filter, but one big reason is to have good fuel economy. If your air filter is clogged or dirty, less air makes its way into the combustion chamber, making the engine work a lot harder to satisfy the power requirements of the driver. This may even cause a running rich condition where the air-fuel mixture is not optimal. So, remember to change your air filter at the recommended interval set by the vehicle manufacturer. Number 8. Driving car with wrong gear. This is especially true with manual transmissions, but also applies to automatics with sport modes. Don't change gears too early or too late. If you try to upshift at too low of an RPM, the engine has to work harder to accelerate. Alternatively, if you constantly let your engine run in the upper RPM range in your power band, since you enjoy the extra power, keep in mind that you're also burning a lot more fuel. Number 9. Aggressive driving. Even more important than driving above the speed limit, aggressive acceleration and braking have a drastic effect on your MPG. This style of impatient, impulse-based driving can reduce MPG by a staggering 33% compared to gradual, steady acceleration and braking practices. Slamming the pedal for bursts of speed taps much more deeply into the less efficient ranges of your engine's perms and fuel consumption. Intense acceleration also often necessitates sudden braking to lower speed for corners or when closing in on traffic. Number 10. Old engine oil. Not only do your spark plugs need to be in good shape, but you must ensure that you regularly change the oil and replace the oil filter as well. Over time, engine oil becomes thicker and has different flow properties. Because of this, there is increased resistance within components of your engine. This leads to more fuel being needed to move a vehicle. Number 11. Bad oxygen sensor. Your engine has oxygen sensors which keep track of the mixture of air and fuel in the internal combustion chamber. Based on what it senses, it tells the powertrain control module to add the correct amount of fuel. But if the oxygen sensor is faulty, the system may automatically add more fuel even if the engine doesn't need it. Number 12. Driving with AC on when you use the air conditioner. More demand is put on the engine. As a result, it must burn more fuel to meet this demand. Use standard ventilation from the blower if possible, or simply roll down your windows when driving at slower speeds like on typical city streets. Keep in mind that driving with your windows open also burns more fuel because the openings create a dragging effect which slows the vehicle down. This is especially true at higher speeds such as on the highway. In that case, using the AC is the better option. Number 13. Bad spark plugs. When spark plugs get worn out, you will have more engine misfire with your vehicle, which will use up more fuel. You will want to use good quality spark plugs. Possible OEM plugs are often best, so you can get the most miles out of them. Iridium spark plugs and platinum spark plugs are the two most preferred types. Those are the reasons why your petrol engine is consuming too much fuel.